Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. This is Britt, the affiliate, coming to you from my Stan Store page. I am bringing you the importance of Stan and why it is so important to have in a digital marketing business. Just last night, if there's things, that were purchased on my storefront, automatically a link would have been sent, whether it's a Canva course or flyer or things like that, or template that I made that I am selling to people. Overall, what's great is the fact that Stan does everything on the back end, so you automatically set everything up, and I'll show you a little bit about how to do that. But once it's set up, that's the easy part. After that, it's just runs on autopilot for you as you promote your different courses and things like that. I am showcasing today the $29 plan, so not the pro plan. This is just the basic plan, and it has all the bells and whistles, everything that you're going to need as a digital marketer that is starting off with different products. As you see, this is the first page. So you have last 7 days, last 14 days. You can also do a custom range if you'd like. That gives you an indicator of exactly, what's happening in your storefront. I have quite a few more storefront visits. So I got 37% increase in leads as well. So that's really good. Overall, then down here, there's just going to be a few different videos for you to watch to be able to help increase different traffic in your Stan Store, things like that. And those will always be at the bottom. As you look at my store, we're going to head over to the store tab. This is where you're going to be able to see exactly what everything's going to look like. Most people nowadays are going to be on a phone, so that's why it does have this phone view. And as you can see, there's different sections. So freebies, Amazon courses and audits, and then courses, different courses that I promote. The fact that you can kind of section everything off, make it look like the way you want it to, is absolutely amazing. I love that part about Stan. It also is super easy to customize and things like that. So let's go over to the edit design. You can change whatever you'd like to, no matter how you want it to look. You'd be able to do so, and that is huge. Then going into landing pages, this is another key feature that Stan offers that is absolutely amazing, especially if you are wanting multiple streams of passive income. I do the Amazon course teaching people how to make money with Amazon. I also do make digital products. These are two of my kindergartner workbooks, or pre-K workbooks, and I sell them on Pinterest, but I wanted that link to not necessarily go to my main page. I didn't want it to show up here. So it offers the ability to create a landing page that gives you a link, but then keeps it off that main storefront. Most people don't see the perk of that right away, but when you're processing it, do pre-K workbooks really make sense on my main page where I'm selling an Amazon Money Master Course? Probably not. And so that's where that landing page comes into play. With the store, scrolling down to the bottom, I'm going to show you all of the different things that you can add. So you can click add product here. Most of the time, it's going to be a digital product. There can also be a custom product, a reoccurring membership. They just recently added the community feature. So you can host a free or a paid community within Stan. And so that's super cool. One thing, in addition to the community that they added to that basic package, is the e-course tutorial. And we're going to dive in here just slightly, just because of how many people have different things that they can train on and teach on and want to build a course, but they're like, that sounds super intimidating. I was one of those people. I have an Amazon Money Master Course, and I was like, I have zero clue how to make a course. I would never be able to do that. Until I got Stan, I would jumped in here. I had digital products on my storefront already, and I was like, it doesn't hurt. Let's check it out. It is so easy, guys, to plug and play exactly what you need. I made videos. I included them. They section it out to look exactly how you need it to look. So you can upload the video here if you have any key takeaways, supporting materials. So if on that part of the course you wanted to have them download a template, you would be able to support that and put that in here. And you'd be able to see that they get a unique login as soon as they purchase your course off Stan Store. And it is an absolutely beautiful way to build a course in here. I thought it was going to be super hectic and crazy and not know how to do it. This course feature makes everything a literal breeze to be able to showcase a course and what that looks like. And I can customize everything and it's easy. That's the thing with a lot of these different programs. It's not easy to put it together. And I've tried to put it together in other areas, whether it be email flows or things like that. This StanStore is a complete all-in-one package that makes it easy and customizable, which are two key features you don't often get together. And so going back here, you can also do different collecting emails, coaching calls, and it can attach to your Google Calendar as well. So that's really what sometimes people will get if they do a lot of coaching, one-on-one mentorship calls. You can do that within StanStore as well. Income piece, you do have, what you've made total. Any cash out options is very easy to cash out the money that you have in there. And then also you have down here, below here, you have all of the latest orders. Who is the most recent person to purchase the course, the freebie, or anything like that. And you can, dissect it. If let's say you want to see how good a sale did from this day to this day, click this, enter in the dates, and you are good to go. It will pop up every single person that bought during that time. If you were running a promotion or if you were, trialing TikTok or things like that, there's a way for you to kind of break it down and see that. Again, with the analytics side of it, you get an even more in-depth approach. You've got the percents again, and what that looks like. But then this is where I usually go. So where are my customers from? I know that looks like my preferred customers are on TikTok right now. 18 people visited my site from TikTok, from different postings and things that I made. So I know that it's doing better on TikTok. So I may want to put my focus on TikTok. Instagram, 11, StanStore, 5 other. It could be Pinterest in that case as well. And then it shows you what product it's going to. There's, who's going to my Amazon Money Master Course, who's getting a freebie, that kind of thing. It's super well laid out to explain what's happening on the back end that you don't always get if you don't have a system like this. It also gives you the conversion rate. So if I had 14 views on my Amazon Affiliate Blueprint, 9 orders, I'm missing some. I'm get 57.1% conversion. Some people may think that's pretty good, but in my case, it's a free product. I want people to convince people to purchase, well, not to purchase, to get that for free. And so in that case, I may need to change a little bit of my documentation in there to show why it's going to be valuable for them to grab, make it easier for them to grab. And there's always going to be fall off because there's going to be people that click it that don't click it on accident, or they click it and they don't realize what it is. And then at that point, when they get there, they're not interested. So there is going to be fall off, but there really should be a little bit higher percent, in my opinion, in something that I can at least trial to see. And then StanStore gives you that analytics. There is also a customer tab over here. Clicking on that will bring you straight to your customers. It will showcase their email, what they bought. It also allows you to tag customers. So if you tag them as a Amazon Money Master Course purchase or an affiliate, because I do offer an affiliate commission on that Amazon course. I tag those ones in there. And when that tag automatically hits, it would start them in an email flow if I were to move to that $99 plan. The one thing that you get with a $99 plan that I find beneficial is the email flow piece of it. But as a beginning digital marketer, that shouldn't even be on the radar. You should be looking at this, what I have to offer, which is a 14-day free trial. And then from there, you would be able to move on and start doing different trainings, building courses, and getting everything built up. And then at a later time, you can look at maybe upgrading to that pro plan. Referrals is another key feature here. So I'm going to click this. So one nice thing with Stan is when you have it as a, something, you got a homepage, you got your storefront, you got all that good stuff. You can also use this as a way to decrease how much you're paying per month. So what this looks like is I have 2 active referrals right now. Total referrals is 4. And then I've earned $244 from that. So what that means if StanStore gives anyone who has a StanStore, they give them a 14-day free trial to give to people to promote if you wish, to showcase what StanStore can do. When you get that, what's absolutely amazing about it is that you are going to be getting 20% of their monthly amount each month. So my 2 active referrals, one of them has a $99 plan, one of them has the $29. And you can always answer questions for them, but honestly, for the most part, it's just they used your link to get that 14-day free trial. They fell in love with StanStore and they were able to, continue to use that. And like I said, it's a great way to be able to get money. Another cool feature is that StanStore does have an ambassador program. So once you get a few more referrals under your belt, there is also a possibility that you could get the $99 pro plan for free as a StanStore ambassador to showcase all about Stan. You become a StanStore ambassador. They ask you questions. They have feedback. They give you, first trial on all of the things. You get communication first, but then also you get the $99 pro plan for free. Keep in mind, I do have that link right here to join that you would get 14 days for free. I can offer that below in the description. So make sure to click on that, get the 14 days for free, build this account up to what you want it to be, and you will absolutely fall in love with it. I know it. It's absolutely amazing product for digital marketers. And it's definitely something I recommend. I am going to pop over here just to show this email flow. Once you get into this and you're kind of an established digital marketer and you want to start looking at flows, broadcast, things like that, that is in a different video that I have. It is an email flow tutorial to be able to showcase that. This is a great product to use, but not necessarily always needed right away, which is why I always suggest you start with the $29 plan. I think that is overall just a brief overview. If there are any topics that you want me to cover more, do a more in-depth dive, make sure to put them in the comments. Let me know how you like Stan. And then, like I said, make sure to grab that 14-day free trial in the description. You will not want to miss that. And I know that you will absolutely fall in love with Stan, and it will make digital marketing so much easier for you to make passive income.